Hello there, this is Barbara from Native Studio Art, and I want to share with you today how to add your website to Google Analytics. Now I've opened up the Google Analytics site, as you can see it here. What I would do is just type it into the search engine field up here, and it'll be the first link, and when you click on it, it'll bring you to Google Analytics, or just type it up here like I said. Now I have an account, so when you click over here and you click on Google Analytics, if you don't already, what will happen is you will sign up for one. Okay. It will ask you for your email, maybe for your business title, and any other information. I can't remember at the moment. I want to try and make this as easy as possible for us to understand. So you notice here when I logged in, it's January 18th, 2016 to February the 17th, 2016. When you've had Google Analytics for a while, you can go back and do custom tracks. So if I were to go back here and say from November 9th of 2015 to presently February 17th, and I applied it, as all excitement, you can see the figure here. This is the one we're looking at, right? Now, you will note that this is my website for nativestudioart.net. It'll say it here and here, right? And what I've done is there's another folder for something else here, another site I'm tracking, and it used to be my JMT. I've discontinued that for now. And also I have put a tracking link on 2 of my MailChimp newsletters because I wanted to see how many people were actually reading it. Did you know that through MailChimp that people can share your newsletter? And of course my newsletter is getting quite popular in Russia. Yeah, now that's something, right? So what I want you to do now is, once you're in here, you've created your account, okay? When I've got all website data here, you will see what it looks like and what it's tracking, demographics, the whole nine. Okay, now what I want to do is actually, I'm trying to go to admin. And as you can see, that first one I talked about was my Gmail I was tracking. This is Native Studio Art, and or I can look at all website data. So what that means is all website data is a combination between this and my Gmail, right? But today what I'm looking at is Native Studio Art, the property under admin, right? And as you can see, I can also create new property under there, which means another tracking link. When you come under your account under admin, you will have your account set up under your email, and then the property under that account for me is Native Studio Art. And afterwards, anything and all that I've added will be found in here. Right? Have you noticed that there's a tracking info here? So when you click on that, that's where you get your tracking code, right? So your tracking ID can be found here, and or you can do it in script here, right? So now I'm going from the assumption that we've already done this logged in email and that kind of thing, right? that this web tracking code is there once you set up your account. You just need to know where to find it, right? What I do is I'll copy this script, right? Make sure you got it all, and then I go up here to the top, edit, copy, right? Going to the website data, or the GoDaddy website builder, I've already got it up. I've logged in and all that kind of stuff. I'm in with you know, the website designer. Design your pages is what I click on. Yeah, takes a few minutes to pop up. Okay, we're right there on the page that we need to be, and you'll notice that there's this little it says script, and above it, when you mouse over, drag and drop, it'll say insert JavaScript or HTML code, right? Okay, I want you, see this little piece here? I've actually done that, right? Now, how did I go about doing that? I want to show you. Now, before you can enter that script, you are going to need a block. So you see this content block, right? You drag it. Let's pretend we're going to put another one right here. Hang on. GoDaddy is quite different. You see that drop zone? It is a must. It won't, otherwise it just won't, right? You see this piece here. Oops, hang on. Trying to show you. See it says click to add text, images, and such and more, right? So I'm going to go over here, click on it, okay, there. See, you like double click, right? Bring this down inside your box, and it'll bring that up, right? Now, you see this is all blued out? Go up to the top where your Safari is, hit edit, and paste. There's the code that we copied from Google Analytics, right? When you push OK, you will see script, right? Now, the thing to understand is it's going to take anywhere from 2 weeks to a month for it to show up and start tracking from this code into your property, into your account, right? So, with that being said, I'm hoping that that answers your question. What I'm going to do is actually get rid of this because I already have a tracking code on here. And the other wonderful thing about Google is they make it so easy to delete the boxes and the blocks that all I need to do is republish, just so that I don't make a mistake that I've lost that piece on. I just publish, let's see, all. Okay. Hope that's been of some help to you. We'll see how we do. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye now.